Hi guys, in this video we will write a program that repeatedly asks the user to enter a line and saves this line with its number to a file. Okay, first of all we need to import a module which allow us to work with files in Haskell. It's called system.io. The next thing, we should define the function which I call rep, and it has one argument. We will start with one argument and then I extend it with two arguments. Okay, the first argument is n, and this is the number of the input line. Okay, so first of all we need to show this number of line to user. We should output it to a screen. So let's do it. We will use the print function which use this argument, and this will be the first action which we do. And what's the next action? The next action, we must to read a line from a keyboard. Okay, and next we need to pass this line to some lambda function. And in this lambda function we need to first of all show, I think we don't need to show, we need to check, we need to check if this line is equal to exit. Okay, and if this line is equal to exit, then we will just print exit. End. Okay, end. And we don't want to go at recursion here, but if the line is not exit, we want to continue our IO actions, and we will call our rep again, but with n plus 1 number. Okay, and this should work, I think. Let's try it. Okay, let's look more carefully at this code. Sorry, of course I need to use a bind operation here. I'm interested in my IO result of IO action. So let's try to run it. We start with 0. Okay, it's okay. This recursion can produce infinitely many actions, and each action asks me for input and also print the number of this input. Okay, and this works, but we want to write this information to a file, and this means that we need a second argument here, and I call it hash. It's handler of a file, and we need to write the given line to a file. Okay, of course we need to write it let's write it here, and so we need to add some more one action here, and it will be write into a file. Okay. 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 How can we write to file? We write to a file with a simple Haskell function which called hashput_ln. We need at first argument provide the handler of the file, and the second argument the line. Okay, I will create this line from n, from number n, and from number n and line. Okay, so I think and also if we type exit, we need to close file. Okay, and we do it here. Yes, we add here some action for closing file and print the end. Okay, and I think this should work. Let's check. Sorry, the problem is in rep, so I forgot to get extra handle here. Okay, rep n+1 and dash. Okay, let's check. Yes, it's compiled. It's compiled. Okay, and next thing we should run our function rep, and we need a file handler for it. And how can we get the file handler? Of course, with open file. We call open file function, provide a file name for it. I call it log.txt, and I open it with write mode, and I extract the value from this section and pass it to monadic function, which start our function from 0 and with handle hash. Okay, let's try. Okay, and this ask me for a first line start from 0. Okay, I start to input 0 first, second, third, and then I call exit. Okay, and let's check let's see what files we have in our directory. Okay, I can see that I have log file, and let's output it on the screen, and we can see that all all the lines I input is written to a file, was written to a file. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Sorry for my English. Subscribe, push like button and write comments. Thanks.